Who does this? Calm down now.
Vibes Cartel. Adi, oh they make you look so. Away name Vibes Cart. Bro, whoever draw this, una wicked brother. Bumbleclad. I'm gonna go and Chovy school me Alice Cartel. Dennis Brown, you're not Dennis Browning. Whoever draw this no look, you no look good. Tony Rebel not Tony Rebelling. Cartel, yo, that no look like a world boss, that look like a Blade or the man from him. Bumbleclad, where name Matrix. Garnet Silk, you're not silking. Peter Tosh, you're not Toshing a blood clad. Nah, this the artist them respect you know, but they not draw no good brother. Who draw this? Who does this? You Ryan, you're not Ryan. Bumbleclad, bury some man, how they make it like a police or me general. Who do this a drawing? Sugar man? No, you're not nothing. Yo brother, they make it scraped. Freddie McGregor, you're my boss. How they make it look so? Bob Marley, you're not bobbing. Bombardos, you don't look good. Marcy, you're not Griffithing. Anthony B, oh God, you're not being. Blood clot. Gregory Isaac. Boy, me I wonder. Bob Marley, you kinda look like a Bob Marley, but you look like more like Bob without the Marley. But whoever draw them see here, wanna fuck up the artist them image. Wanna if you come down now. I respect all of my artists, them bless up on yourself. This is not this video, but no man, whoever draw this, you don't need to come down. No. World boss, my father, look what they make it look like Blade.
2 days, 3 days, 2 weeks, a month or 2 months or per year. You have to work a lot of money. When you work, you say something, you don't give money out of it. Because when you're dead, they gotta say you're dead. When you're broke, they say you're broke. You understand? You have to say some of your money. Because dead sick, you know, anything can happen. Go to doctors. That is they are read about it. You know, you have to save some money. You save it and don't make money now. That's a part of life. For the rest of your life, if you're dead, your body in fridge and coffer. Nobody know. Your family, mom and dad, you have to know. Like, show man tell, you have to save money. Because if you say you save $1 million, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 million. Show man tell, your brother has to save money. Don't